This video is all about our listing builder sync. Why is this important and how can it make you money? Well, most sellers build listings in one tool and then they manually copy and paste into Seller Central, only to find that Amazon doesn't accept the changes or requires flat files. Ugh. This solves that by letting you update listings inside of Helium 10 and then send them straight to Amazon through the API, often with a higher success rate than editing directly in Seller Central, so you can focus on the things that truly matter. And what's cool is we are one of the only ones that allows you to sync it directly to Amazon. I'm sure you don't have the time for tedious work. I know I don't, especially if you're constantly updating your listing every few months and you have thousands of SKUs. No more putting a title in and discovering it didn't change on Amazon, or having to open a case just so they can tell you to use a flat file. Listing Builder Sync actually has better listing authority than editing directly inside of Seller Central. 9 times out of 10, as long as it's not a forbidden keyword, if you cannot update your listing in Seller Central, but you do it with the Listing Builder and hit sync, it will overwrite that listing so you get to do what you're trying to do. I've experienced this with my own listings. It's almost at the same level or sometimes above using a flat file. Why? Amazon likes Helium 10. So when we do it through the API, it can overwrite your listing in a stronger way than just editing it. This is for Diamond and above. You can connect it to your listing in Seller Central, hit sync, and it will sync. It usually takes 5 minutes, sometimes 15, sometimes a few hours to show, but exercise and patience and it should go through. You still have to create your listing the first time in Seller Central, but once it exists, then you can toggle into this, and anytime you find new keywords or you want to switch keywords around for relevancy, use Listing Builder because you can sync your listings with a better success rate than in your own Seller Central account. And of course, keep up with how you're doing stacked up next to your competitors while doing it, because we have the listing analysis feature right at the bottom on the left-hand panel. But we cover that in another video, so I'll catch you somewhere else.